So we are from We Design Studio, expert in smart interior concepts / Maxwood. That is everything at one place. So this is the TV unit, and as you can see, the material, it's supremely classy, and the rose gold strips which you can see around the corner, it's all about PV paint and rough look vinyl. And now everybody, I'm going to take you to the most important part of any house. It's an Indian tradition where we keep a temple, we call it as mandir, in every house, and there we go, the flawless temple right here. With the major part, as you can see around the corner upwards, that's all is made out of solid wood. Here comes our temple, of course, and I'm gonna showcase what's inside. So now, as you can see, we have the whole customized thing already all set already. All you need to do is just place whatever you're going to place over here on your God's name, and also we have kept these lightings which are coming all the way from inside, right? So it is not going to disturb you and disturb your peace at all. Also, we have kept these particular corners to place the diyas. You can also hang the diyas to make it look more peaceful and more traditional. And of course, guys, this is what it makes much more wonderful, and at the same time also the wooden. That's our culture, right? To use the woods and something which is authentic. So this is what it gives. Well, now guys, I'm gonna take you through this door, as you can see. So we have played with combinations, you see, like the white, the solid white and the rose gold strips. Now here comes the partition, which is a need, I would say, to any house, you know. Well, something interesting about this partition I would like to say, that is the design, you know, the design which you can see around the corner. It's CNC design, which is very famous particularly. And here comes the major part for, I guess, the guests, because when they come to have dinner or lunches, this is the main part which has been used. So to make it more glossier, we have used a wooden ceiling, as you can see, which is used in 5 stars and, you know, good big hotels. Well, keeping in mind COVID and everything all around, we have used a tap which is a sensor tap, you know. All we need to do is just go with the flow. Place your hand like this, and there you go. Well, now let me take you all to the place which is highly used in every house, every basic house. That's the kitchen. Well, guys, about the kitchen, I must say, this is what you see. The material is zero matte, and of course, I can touch and show you all. It's anti-scratch, anti-fingerprint, and also let's talk about the handle. There are no handles at all. Well, at the same time, you can see the imported products which we have used around the corner, the imported material, and you can see the vibe, you know, we have the classification, so you can keep everything according to your own choice. Well, also for raw materials in your kitchen like onions, potatoes, we have given you this beautiful ruckle baskets, you know, for all the products which you can keep over here. And here comes the beautiful master room, guys. Well, as you can see, the bed, it is not just like a random, you know, usual bed which we do use, but it has the cushions, as you can see, to protect especially the kids, you know, the notorious ones. Also, my favorite part, any girl's, any woman's favorite part, the mirror, alright? So it has these lightnings, the special lightnings, which you probably go outside and buy and spend so much of money over it, and here it is properly customized for you. Alright guys, now let's talk about the TV unit in the master bedroom. And this particular TV unit, as you can see, is made out of the premium laminate. Yes, when you talk about premium, we mean it. Also, to give Italian marble finish, we have used this, and it's completely coordinating with the whole vibrant and color of the room to coordinate properly with it. So we are here in a room where our client wanted something very contemporary and something which is greyish in tone. So we have gone with these very fancy laminates right around the corner, as you can see. And when you touch this one, it's a complete matte finish. Yes, to give a perfect tint of what exactly our client has the requirement of. Also, when we talk about this, it is a television unit, and also we have kept some space if you want to keep your speakers or anything of that sort. Why not just make the best use of it? Which is all about, as you can clearly see, it's for kids and especially for boys. We are trying to make it more of blues rather than going for pinks. So yes, as you can see, we have placed the blue color, cushions for the whole safety for any kid, and at the same time the wall paint is white and blue again, which gives a tint of kids room, and the spacious wardrobe for the boy, of course. Also we have the storage area, and we have the study table. Again, the study table, we have chose their favorite cartoon to go with. So yes, pretty much this is all about the kids room, the children room, and completely giving the outlook for a boy. So yes. We are from We Design Studio, expert in smart interior concepts / Maxwood. That is everything at one place. Alright everybody, so right now let me take a moment to introduce you all to Mr.
Hello, I am Dr. Ram, working in KIMS Hospital as surgical oncologist. I am the owner of this D block 1001 apartment.
How do you love the job? How did it turn out to be according to your expectations?
Yeah, I didn't expect this much outcome from the Rupta. When I interact with him in the first meeting itself, I know that he has knowledge and he is very friendly, he is very cooperative. Then we went into the agreement, and finally this is the outcome. You are saying what it is.
Absolutely. So because We Design Studio, I think according to you they have done a great job, but if at all I ask you in a scale of 10, how much would you like to give according to your expectations? What would it be?
It's a difficult question, it's difficult to rate, but I am fully satisfied. If you want to, 10 out of 10.
Wow, that's the perfect customer review we can ever receive. I think that's pretty much what we wanted to know, and thank you so much for the great reviews at the same time, and congratulations once again for this beautiful pretty house of all yours.
Thank you for your
Thank you
words.
so much.
And thanks We Design and his team for the excellent work and whatever output, and we didn't expect it more than what is there in the imaging, and more than expected the outcome is.
Absolutely. So thank you so